Okay. What's up, guys? So I'm back to do at least another hour stream. So I'm just gonna make sure it's working, and hopefully there's no DCs this time. Went to the gym, took a shower, and I feel much better. And of course, you know, it just takes a while to actually show up for whatever reason. That's just how it is. Can't make it work any faster. Maybe one day it'll show up. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so that's from yesterday. Yeah, it's a 3:04 because we stole a little bit of time before, so now we'll have to give it back. So apparently, yeah. So apparently, according to my YouTube, I'm actually not streaming right now. So, despite the fact that I am indeed streaming, there it goes. Guess it just takes a while sometimes. There's nothing I can really do about that. When it works, it works. If it don't want to work, it don't want to work. It's real simple. And just make sure that it is indeed working. So let's pull it up. Check it. There's nothing I can really do about that. And it's working. There I am. Alright. In the flesh. Okay, cool. And goodbye. See you later. Okay, so things to do. What were we doing? We didn't finish the sound system logic, so I'm gonna jump back into that. So let's just go over here, and this is where we stopped. I put a little marker here. So what we're doing is we're adding in a switch to trigger the stoppage of the sound. That's to be, because this happens server side, it has to be transmitted to both clients. So this has to be transmitted to both clients. And let me just put a little note here so I remember that. Remember, has to be transmitted to both clients, not just one. Doesn't that mean then that it has to be appended to both changed attribute lists? Well, so this is stopping the music so that the winning sound can be played. So actually technically this would only need to be transmitted to one of the clients, right? Whoever won. Isn't that correct? So in that case, yeah. I mean, we don't want to play winning music or the winner sound for the loser. We want the winning sound to go only to the winner. So yeah, I would say definitely we only want that, or need that rather, to be transmitted to the other client. I mean to the winning client, to one client. Yeah. So this note is wrong, and usually writing things out will help me actually figure out the solution. It's just the way it is. I could sit there and think about it for like 20 minutes, and then as soon as I start writing it, typing it out, it's like, okay, actually now I see all that thinking was just not very productive. So yeah, the same thing is gonna have to be done. Um, Now, is this gonna have to be done anywhere else? Are we just gonna use this like one time? We might very well may just use it just this one time. Uh, but wait a second. Couldn't we just add in like couldn't we just add in functionality into round end winter sound bool? Yeah, I might just be an idiot. Like I can just I can just this already gets transferred and this is changed right here. It's related to sound. It's called round end winter sound bool. Can't we just use this to do what I'm trying to do? Like dumbass. I didn't realize I could just use this one. I just, you know, I was like, oh, that's for something else. But well, this is real easy, dude. We don't have to create anything new. All we have to do is put the pie game, this line. We just move this line right here. Because the goal is to stop the other music before we start the round end winter sound. Isn't that right? Yeah, that's true. Okay, so that means all we have to do is go to progression. We're gonna just snatch this line. We can get rid of this comment now and copy that and get rid of this line as well. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to game and we're gonna add this line in where if val is equal to true, we're gonna just do pygame.mixer.stop. And I feel like that's valid to do in this file. Like it's already been initialized. Let's just make sure. So yeah, it is initialized up here. One indentation in it should be 2, right? Or no, we do it at the class level. No. Yep, we do. We do it at the class level before. Where is the def init begin? Where do we? Okay, so yeah, the initializer starts down here. So this is at the class level. That is true. And that's where we initialize it. So of course then it would be initialized. We already went over that. So this line should work as it's written. We shouldn't have to modify it at all. We should be able to call this directly. Yeah. And we'll put this is required to stop the other music before playing the winter sound, the following winter sound. And I'm actually like gonna put a note here just in case, a caution comment, and we're gonna put a disclaimer that we're not absolutely sure this is necessary. Quite sure it is though. The goal is to stop music playing before playing subsequent winter sound. needs to be tested. Easy. Okay. So that is done. That was really easy. I'm glad. That was an easy fix. I love stuff like that. So let's keep going through pygame.mixer. We're just going to do Control Shift F to search through the entire project. .mixer. And we went through most of these already. But for some reason this is not showing everything. This is not everything, I don't think. It's only showing like certain things. Maybe it's because I deleted those backup files. It just like bloated the search results. That's probably the case. Anyway, so let's go through here. Pygame mixer and it do not remove this line is necessary. So that can't be. No, that might actually be it. Yeah, because that's the one we just added. Is it really that easy? I thought there was more to the sound thing that I was gonna have to do. That's really it, guys. Cool. Hey, I love when it's easier than what I thought it was gonna be. Sweet. Okay, so exit out all these files since that's done. Can write. And now to the next thing. So we can actually put this in devlog. Cause I forget like what did I actually do. I used to be really good about keeping track of the tasks, like the smaller tasks I finished. We'll put finished